Hi friends, in this video we will see how to work with Autolayout. For this we add one text field to a view. Now add a button to a view. Both are a child of a view. You change the name by double click. This is the view for forgot password, text field, for enter email address and button for the action. Here you can define the background image too for a button, shadow width or shadow offset, height of. But this is not priority of this video. We need only check the this is placeholder text for the text field. Now check there is a to pin and align. Here you can mention the top margin and bottom and leading and trailing margin for a view. Here you select the text field and margin of 30-30 leading and trailing. You assign there is two constant. These two constants added to the. There is a error. iOS provide a help for the if you making any mistake for the assigning constraint. Here you see the some of the constraint added to your constraint field, like round text field, leading, trailing, round text field, top, round field, text field, trailing. Here you see this is the constraint, left, right. There is a between text, top. Here we assign double time. It is we need to remove only single constraint is needed. Now you can update frame. Any constraint is updated, you need to be update the frame to rectify the changes to your view. Now you assign left, right constraint to. Now both view have leading and trailing is same, so both view will be have similar position in the view. Now you can by selecting two constraint two views, you can define the combined constraint for that. Here you select view and there is a two view, you need to remove one of that. You need to define the height of here you show rounded text field and view. Top edge have 1 plus and then you define another constraint for the forgot password, and now you need to that there is a error too. Here it is already mentioned, you need to remove one of that. Here forget, you need to define the forgot password top is equal to bottom of rounded text field plus 3020 anything. Now see that there is a difference between 30. Now we check in 6 plus. To select two view, you select one view, select other view with press the window key, the constraint will be open. Here you see portrait and and landscape, both views remain same. So by auto layout you no need to be define width, height, runtime code for the changes of view. It will do by yourself for the views. Now you check in iPhone 5. You can remove this view by delete button. Here you see in iPhone 5 the view remains same as iPhone 6 plus. You remove this view by delete button. This is the multiple view constraint. You can also delete by delete key. This is the constraint between two view. You need to change here 12 anything. Now there you need to run this code. Here you see the difference between reduce. Here you see the trailing and leading both are same for. This is the top from the top view. This is the distance between two view. Yeah, leading a distance is same. Here the auto layout constraint, you can see this is good for the view that have similar type of height and width. You need not to worry at runtime how they look. Auto layout will manage for you in portrait and landscape mode too. Thanks.